Today I take your grammar class. In the previous day I have already completed chapter 5 adjectives. Today I start chapter 6 articles. Okay? Articles is very important in grammar. First of all, I discuss you what is called articles. The words a, an and the are called articles. There are two types of articles, definite article, indefinite article. Indefinite article to, a, an are definite articles the. Okay? So, naturally, the article a is used before a consonant and an is used before a vowel. There is total, you know it, there are total 26 letters and among them 5 letters are called vowels: a, e, I, o, u. If any word is started, any word starts, the first letter of any word is a or e or I or o or u, we put before these words an. Okay, the natural rule, before consonant we put a and before vowel we put an. That is a bag, a dog, a tree, a boy, bag, dog d, goat g, all are consonant. Before these words we put a. But an apple, apple starting word, starting letter is a, so before apple an. And I, e, y, e vowel, so before it we put an. And import, I, that is before I we put an. And onion, o, o-n-i-o-n, so before o we put an. And umbrella, u. So if any word starts with a, e, I, o, u, we put before these words an. Okay? Where we use a and where we use an, we discuss today. Okay? Use of a. The indefinite article a is used in the following cases. Number 1. Before singular countable nouns beginning with a consonant sound. That is, if any word countable noun and starts with consonant sound, that is, we put before it a. That is a ball, a tree, a pen, etc. Number 2. Before a describing word beginning with a consonant sound. Describing word means adjective. Before a adjective which is beginning with a consonant sound, we put before it an. That is a good boy, a round ball. Okay. Number 3, before a noun beginning with a vowel but having a consonant sound. Vowel शुरुआत, that is it starts with a vowel. First letter is vowel but its sound is like a consonant. We put before it a. That is a university. U का pronunciation U का pronunciation U. So university. Pronunciation U vowel but consonant sound university. Uni. A European. U, so it's Europe pronunciation with but having a consonant sound. Euro. U. A unit. U ka pronunciation U. So before it we put a. Okay. In idiomatic expression, if any idioms, before it we put a. That is in a while, just a minute, just at that moment. Okay. These are phrases. We put it before a. Use of an. Where we put an. The indefinite article an is used in the following cases. Number 1, before singular countable nouns beginning with a vowel sound, if any word begins with a vowel countable nouns, but if any word starts with vowel, we put before it an egg, an orange, an elephant, an umbrella, etc. Before a describing word beginning with a vowel, describing word, but the letter begins with word begin with vowel, that is an excellent singer, an intelligent boy, excellent E, and intelligent I, so before it we put an. Before a noun that begins with a, if a noun begins with a consonant but has a vowel sound, where if a word begins with a vowel, beginning with a vowel but having a consonant sound, and begins with a consonant but having a vowel sound, and our, H-O-U-R, our, H consonant but pronunciation our, O-U-R, so an honest boy, honest, O, so pronunciation O, but first letter H, and M-A, M consonant but pronunciation M-A-M-M, and N-G-O, N-A-N-N, so before this we put an. I repeat it again, okay? Now, first of all, I discuss what is an article. The words a, an, and the are called articles. A, an, and the. Sorry. The words a, an, and the are called articles. How many types of articles are there? There are two types of articles. Indefinite article, definite article. That is, देखो article, indefinite article a and definite article the. Okay. Naturally, the article a is used before a consonant and an is used before a vowel. Vowel a, e, I, o, u. So example, a bag, B consonant, a dog, D consonant, a goat, G consonant, etc. But an apple, A vowel, an I, E vowel, an import, I vowel, an onion, O vowel, an umbrella, U vowel. So before these words, if any word starts with vowel, we put an before it. If any word starts with consonant, we put before it a. Okay? Use of a. The indefinite article a is used in the following cases. Number 1. Before singular countable nouns beginning with consonant sound. Example, a ball, a tree, a pen, etc. Number 2. Before a describing word beginning with a consonant sound. Example, a good boy, good describing word, boy. A round ball, round describing word but starts with R, starts with G consonant. So a good boy, a round ball. Okay. 3. Before a noun beginning with a vowel but having consonant sound, starts with a vowel but its pronunciation is, its sound is vowel. So before it we put it a university, university. U का pronunciation U is university. A European, start E U U, but its sound is consonant. A university, a European, a unit, etc. Okay. 4. In idiomatic expression, in a while, a, just a minute, etc. use of a, use of an, where we use an. The indefinite article an is used in the following cases: before singular countable nouns beginning with vowel sound, that is, example, an egg, e, an orange, e, o, an elephant, e. So before a consonant we put, before a vowel we put an. Before a describing word beginning with a vowel sound, example, an excellent singer, an intelligent boy. Describing word excellent, describing word intelligent, but it starts with a vowel, so before it we put an. Number 3, before a noun that begins with a consonant but has a vowel sound, that is, we put before it an. An hour, H consonant but pronunciation wa, a. An honest, o, honest, o, honest lady. An ma, m consonant but pronunciation m, a, m. An NGO, n, n. So before these words we put an. Okay. Use of a and both, where we use a or an, both use. Some common uses of a and are as follow. Number 1, they are used before a collective noun. Before a collective noun we put a or an. A herd of cows but an army of soldiers. A भी use होता है, an भी use होता है. Okay. Before collective noun. 2 number, a and denotes 1. A भी इसका meaning a equal to 1, an equal to 1. But so I ate an apple, but before I discuss it, before vowel we put an, before consonant we put a. I ate an apple, a banana, an ice cream, and an orange, and an orange, and an orange. Okay. First number, collective noun. Before collective noun we put a or an. Before a and 2 denotes 1. So I ate an apple, a banana, an ice cream, and an orange. Okay. Number 3, a and denote any. A and means any. Example, you should consult a physician. P is a physician. Consult an interior designer to design your house. Engineer. Consult an engineer, IN. So before I and R. So we put before a and any. If there is any meaning any, we put a or an. Number 4, a and is used before a person or a thing mentioned for the first time. That is, I meet an excellent singer in a church. That is first meeting. I meet an excellent singer in a chorus. And a. Okay. I repeat, use a and both. I repeat it again. Some common uses of a and are as follows. They are used before a collective noun, that is a herd of cows, an army of soldiers. Number 2, a and denote 1. So I ate an apple, 1 apple, a banana, 1 banana, an ice cream, 1 ice cream, and an orange, 1 orange. So all these means denote 1. Number 3, a and denotes any, anything. That is, you should consult a physician, any physician. A physician means any physician. Consult an interior designer to design your house. An interior design means any interior designer. 4, a and is used before a person or a thing mentioned for the first time. First time you mentioned a or an. I meet an excellent singer in a church. Okay. Now I repeat this. Next day I will discuss you the, but I hold this page 1 or 2 seconds. Okay. Now I discussed A and definite articles. Indefinite articles today. What are called articles? How many types of articles? And where we use A and where we use and. Next day I will discuss definite article the and where you use the. Next day we will discuss. You all learn it at home. I hope you all understand this. Thank you very much.